In a recently published systematic review, we analyzed studies that assessed accuracy of computer-assisted reconstructions of the mandible. Because of a lack of uniformity in planning and evaluation methodologies, the ability to compare postoperative outcomes was limited. Therefore, we propose a practical, feasible and reproducible evaluation guideline.
With this guideline, we aim to create uniformity between future studies regarding postoperative accuracy evaluation. We feel there is abundant room for further progress in determining tolerable outcome ranges, regarding acceptable mandibular angle deviations and regarding deviations of the virtually planned dental implants in relation to future prosthetics. The procedure will be demonstrated by Lars Leeuwrik, a dentistry student and member of our oral reconstruction research group.
Begin by opening the image-based 3D medical software. Click File and New from Disk. Then select the folder that contains the TICOM images of the postoperative scan. Choose the study from the list and click Convert. A window will pop up for the assessment of the orientation of the skull. Change the orientation by left-clicking the orientation characters. Then click OK to validate. To create an ROI, click on the Threshold tool and define a threshold containing all voxels of the mandibular bone with a certain interval of gray value. Manually tweak the Hounsfield range. Then click the green button to validate the segmentation. To edit the ROI, choose the Isolate tool. Then click